dkdynamics presents ultraflight trap.
Hello friends, welcome to dkdynamics. So friends, as we all know that from the ancient times, the various dreadful diseases such as the malaria, dengue, cholera, influenza, typhoid, diarrhea, malaria, etc. have taken the life of millions of people. So friends, for causing these diseases, not only the bacteria and the viruses are responsible. The main culprits for spreading these diseases are the disease spreading vectors like the mosquitoes and insects and different types of pests and insects. So friends, we cannot completely remove these pests and the insects. After all of the efforts of the human being, these insects and the mosquitoes cannot be removed. So friends, apart from these diseases, another challenge for the human being is the conservation of the food. Without the conservation of the food, we are going to face the food scarcity. We are not going to fulfill our food needs as these insects and the pests spoil the crops to ruin the social and the economical structure. This also increases the input cost of the agriculture as the crops are spoiled by the insects and the pests. This emotionally and mentally break the farmers, and the farmers during sometimes commit suicide due to the stress. Research is going on to control these insects and the pests all over the world. If we can control these insects and the mosquitoes, we are going to save the lives of the millions of peoples as well as the crops before the epidemics. So friends, we have gone for research and development to develop a very simple and cheap device which can be used anywhere and is easy to operate by the farmers and can also be used for the domestic purpose. So friends, we have developed the ultra fly trap. This is eco-friendly as we are not going to use any harmful chemicals. Friends, the pesticides which are used to kill the pest affects the human beings as they are introduced into our body through the food chain and causes the various dreadful abnormalities and cancer. So friends, here we have developed a device which is known as ultrafly trap, which is going to trap the mosquitoes, pests and all the flying insects without using any pesticide or harmful chemicals. So friends, the components required for making this ultra fly trap are two transparent plastic box of 12 by 18 inches. Then friends, we require 12 ultraviolet LEDs and 12 blue LEDs which are mounted on a reflective sheet of 9 by 8 inches. And friends, if we are going to use this ultrafly trap outside, then we require a solar panel to charge the battery from the solar power, and if we are using it in the home, we can directly light up the LEDs by using the AC source. And friends, here is a circuit which consists of the transformer, capacitors and iron 4007 diode, and here is the toggle switch to switch the connection between the battery and the mains power. So friends, now I'm going to make you show that how this ultra fly trap works. So friends, according to the scientific principle, all the flying insects are attractive towards the ultraviolet rays. For ultraviolet light, we have fitted the UV LEDs to attract the insects, and here we have used a transparent tray in which we are going to pour the water and the kerosene oil. Friends, instead of this, we can use any type of transparent oil. So friends, as the flying insects and mosquitoes are attracted by the ultraviolet LEDs, they come towards the surface of the water, and as they try to sit on the water surface, due to the low surface tension of the oil, they will be sinked down and they are trapped. So friends, ultrafly trap is very easy to make using the various very easily available components. And friends, we can use it in the farms by using the solar power, and in homes we can use it by connecting it to the AC source. So friends, the pesticides and insecticides have the harmful effects on the human beings, and the insects as well as the mosquitoes generally develop resistance against the pesticides. To make this ultrafly trap for your home and for your farms, and friends, please make this ultrafly trap. And so friends, if you have any query regarding this ultrafly trap, you can mail me. For more details, log on to www.dkdynamics.com. Friends, if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Coming back with some more new and fantastic videos. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.